Es todo lo que jala esa madre, tanque.
Welcome back, Jeff fam. Yes, we are here, we are back, and it is part 4 of the Ford Focus build. And today, guys, we're really happy, we're really excited because the shipments came in 2 days earlier than they were supposed to. And to be honest, guys, we're about to get unboxing these right now just to see if the body matches up, just to get the lines in perfect condition, you know, and then we're gonna start putting it all together. But yeah, guys, let's get to it. First box, here we go. Alright guys, well, the first part, I think that one is the bumper, that big box there. That's where the bumper's coming in. The bumper and the fender, I'm guessing. And right here, this box has the radiator support that comes with the hood latch. So, both of these babies, and we're about to start unboxing. Oh, but before that, I have to go turn off the car. I left it on. Alright guys. Alright, first of all, we need a new knife. This knife sucks.
I'll cut that shit out.
What do you mean? The knife is fucking back. Hold it.
Go help him out, Pete. Hold the box from over there. We got Peter's second hands right here. Second hand, Peter. I'll give him a little pop tag. There it is, man. Nice and bubble wrap.
The handbag is broken.
Is it?
No.
It's upside down now? Yeah. No, now it's upside down. Flip it. Flip it, it's upside down. Flip it, it's upside down. Hell yeah. Flip it.
What do you mean it's upside down?
This is the top part. This is the bottom part. Right?
This is? Oh, you mean the other one just to compare now?
Just flip it, watch. Look, that's where it has those things at. Look.
Oh yeah, I was flipping on, pa.
There you go, pa.
Well, guys, it was backwards. Here, let's go check it. Let's go. Let's go do a little test, a little fit test.
Dude, it looks like a Ford.
Come on, follow me. Let's go unbox the other one. No manches, esta piscina va a que zarra,
No, corta donde tiene el tape, güey.
No, es que el pelo no corta el tape, güey. Uy, I fucking hate it, man. This is fucking retarded, bro. Una vaca culera, la verdad.
Es el nuevo, güey.
Fuck your fucking knife, nigga. I got fucking muscles, nigga. Así se abren las cosas, cuh. That's how you open it right here. That's Neto's opening right there. The radiator support. Hey, pa. Yo. It's different.
No, it's not. It's exactly the same.
Good thing we didn't throw that shit away. Oh, they have those.
Oh yeah, they do.
Pendejo.
Do they?
Yeah, those are the things. No, they're different. ¿Si lo tienes o si los tienes?
Sí, sí los tiene, desde aquí los miro, güey.
But at least you have a color coding on with those. For the fenders, what didn't come.
Yeah, you're gonna have to check. You're gonna have to check.
We're missing the fender, guys.
You're gonna have to check
And
the
it was
things
supposed to come in with the bumper.
It's probably gonna come in another box a little bit later. Till Monday.
I know why it doesn't go in, pa.
Why? It's because it has a whole bunch of little like shit inside already. Like look inside. Do you see like a little little plastic shit? Yeah,
There you go,
that's
pa.
too. Where the screws go, you can't even screw it if you wanted
Can't
to.
even screw it.
But that one looks better.
But you still can't screw that.
You still
The
can't,
screw's
yeah.
not gonna go in there. Alright guys, well, as it turns out, we got done with the other unboxing and we got the top radiator and the front bumper. But the front fender, there you go again, god damn it. What you talking about, man? The side fender, that did not come in, guys, and we are gonna be waiting on that. Hopefully it does come in as soon as possible. Hopefully we can get it tomorrow. If not, then we're gonna have to wait till Monday, guys. We are gonna install the top radiator just so we can have it on. That looks like the only part we could put on for the moment, because to put on the front bumper we do need that side fender just so we could align it and have everything good. Thanks to the tips that we learned from the boys from Goon Squad. Big shout out to them. Always keep your nuts, your little nuts,
Hardware.
your bolts, your hardware in a bag or somewhere, or in a little jar, and always have different names for everything. Like this one right here, we put the top radiator support, so we know that all of this hardware belongs to this right here, and we will have no problems. Thank you, guys.
Put it down. Making sure all the lines are right, man. Gotta make sure they're all right. Got Peter right here helping.
Several days later.
Hey, what's up, Jet fam? Welcome back. We did get the fender, and it is Tuesday night. It did come in on Monday morning, but I was a little bit busy, so I couldn't really come down here and work on the car at all today. I mean, on Monday. But here it is, guys. We're gonna open it up. Hopefully there's nothing wrong with it. There was nothing wrong with the other parts either, so there should be no other reason why this would come messed up. Oh, it's little. And
There's
look
a
at
box
the
in a
fucking-
box. You can see the box. You can
There's
see
a
the
box in the box. Oh, and it was. The box is
Oh, that's why there's a box in a box.
Oh, they wrapped it in a box. You see, they were too cheap to use foam. Or at least even bubble wrap. Oh, wait, you can't use bubble wrap. Coronavirus. Oh, look, I was wrong. They did put bubble wrap. Alright, guys, well, here it is, the missing piece. So we're gonna go outside, guys, and we're gonna try to put the Ford Focus out together. Oh, I have to unfold it. Cadillacs on 22s. I ain't saying nothing but my life's the truth. Oh. God damn it. La guayabita. Let me get a screwdriver. Flathead. Hey, está, güey.
There you go. That's where it goes.
What?
That's when you took it off. I don't know what the fuck
I don't know how to get in. What are you talking about? I don't know what this big ass thing is for. It's because this shit needs to move, like not molded, fool, you know, like atornillarlos donde van, güey, para que se queden atornillados. But now, wait, cause like this is a queda para arriba, güey, it's sticking out. What are you looking for?
What are you looking for?
Bro, what are you looking for? Stop looking for more light.
Well, you need light so you can see it. Put it on.
Light from where?
Okay.
Put the fucking, you can't see the things up there.
No, you can't see the thing down there.
Yes, I could.
Okay, hand tight.
There's one on the bottom?
Yeah, right here that holds this.
Mm-hmm. Sure?
Yeah.
Because I wanted to see if I could close it in the hand.
So Compa Black is putting on the front bumper. While Black's putting on the front bumper, I'm gonna show you guys the side fender. It's already on, guys. It's coming all together. And stay tuned, guys, because we do also have to go to the junkyard. Back to the junkyard we go. ¿Verdad que sí, Compa Black?
Simon, cheese.
Alright, Jeff fam, what is up, guys? Yes, we are back, and as you guys can see, well, I don't know if you guys can see, we're a bit messy. We are back at the house, and just so you guys can see a little stuff of what we got the 2 wheel covers. That's what we're missing. We got the energy foam, because we got the bumper, but when the bumper came, it did not come with the energy foam. So we got the energy foam. We got the missing headlight. We got the missing headlight right here, and also let me get the zoom in right here on this. It's kind of a bit dirty,
A little bit dirty,
but we'll fix it up. We'll make it look good. But that's the grill, guys, and this is what comes on top of the grill. It's like the protection for the hood latch and the radiator support.
what we got over here, man? What we got over here?
And guys, we got the hood latch. This hood latch right here, we were not able to find it online. We weren't able to find it online, so the only place we were able to, well, we're actually hoping that the only place we could find it at was the junkyard. And guys, well, the junkyard came through. Shout out again to J&A Auto Parts number 2. They're coming through they're coming through with everything we need, guys. They got all the junk cars there. It's all good. And well, just like my brother said, all these little pieces that we needed from the front bumper, they're right here. This is actually for the lights. So all we need now, guys, is just to take this bumper right back off and start putting those parts right back on it. Hello? Alright, it's on. Hey, what's up, Jeff fam? So guys, Black's a dummy. He actually, well, we had to take off the bumper to put the energy foam, and this guy actually put everything already on. It has the energy foam and it has already the bumper back on, and he didn't film none of it, guys. So, comment what a dumbass. As you guys can see, we got the cover still, the lights, the grill, just a little bit of accessories that we need to add on. We're gonna leave the camera rolling, guys, so you guys won't miss this. We're putting on those lights, getting the fit, making sure they're not crooked. Crook. Alright, Jet fam. So we got the lights on and we got them in the right place. But then we found out that we hadn't changed the
Light bulbs.
Oh, let me try to focus it. Let me see if you can see it. The light bulb. There we go. Now you guys can see it. Fuck. We forgot to put on the light bulbs on both of them. So Black already got that one done. We're just finishing this one. Alright guys, well we got done installing all the light bulbs. And this is the moment of truth.
Got them?
They're on.
Got them?
Yeah, they're on.
Oh, nice and clean and fresh. All right, so now what we gotta do is install the grill. I got 2 little light bulbs to go. We're gonna install those real quick. We're gonna install the grill, close the hood, make sure everything sits nice. Probably take it out for a spin.
The car is complete.
Ready for play.
It's complete, ready for the paint. Put the hood down, Black. Put the hood down, Black. It's ready, boy. That's the way you do it here in Jet Life. And thanks to all the Jet fam that stays tuned. Thank you guys. We do this just because of you guys. We know it's not a lot of you guys watching right now, but it's hopefully within the next year.
Damn, sick.
But yeah, guys, hopefully within the next year we can reach some more followers, guys. Please like, please subscribe, share, guys. Share out with your guys' friends. But yeah, guys.
Hey.
She's alive, guys. Yeah.
So as of today, as you guys can see, it is night. So we will continue this tomorrow to finish up those wheel covers and give you guys a surprise. Oh wait, remember to follow us on Instagram for those sneak previews. Remember to hit that like button, that subscribe button. Don't forget that notification bell, man. See you guys tomorrow.
Hey, what up, Jet fam? Welcome back. Yes, it is another day right here in Jet Life. We actually took the car to go get a detail, and they got an exterior and interior detail. And here it is, guys, just so you guys can see and you guys can check out the surprise that we got for you guys. We got them rims for you guys, just like you guys can see right here. We got them rims for you guys, just for you guys. We got these rims. And there you have it, Jet fam. That's it for part 4 of the Ford Focus build. Stay tuned for part 5.